Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix product activation failed in Microsoft Word. I'll walk you through some troubleshooting steps to resolve this issue completely. So, let's get started. First, I will open Microsoft Word to show you the activation error. Go to the search bar, type Word, and click on it to open the Word app. A pop-up will appear for the Microsoft Office Activation Wizard. This message will inform you that this copy of Word is not activated. Close this pop-up and click on Blank Document to open a new blank document. At the top of this page, you will see the Product Activation Failed error. To resolve this issue, follow these steps. Close the Word app and open File Explorer. Go to your local drive C. Here, you will find two folders, Program Files and Program Files, x86. If your Office supports a 64-bit system, go to the Program Files folder. But if your Office supports a 32-bit system, choose the Program Files, x86 folder. Depending on your version of Office, choose the appropriate folder. Here, I will open the Program Files, x86 folder as my Office supports 32-bit. Navigate to the Microsoft Office folder and then open the Office 16 folder. If you have Office 13 or 19 installed, the respective folders will be present here. In this folder, right-click on the OSPPREM file and select Run as Administrator. A command prompt window will appear and close by itself. Open this file 3 times as an administrator and your error is fixed. To check, go to the search bar and search for the Word app again. You will see that the Activation Wizard pop-up no longer appears, and when you open a blank document, there is no Product Activation Failed error present. That's all for today's video. If this video helped you out, make sure to join the Show Me Software free newsletter. It's linked in the description below. In this newsletter, I will tell you about the latest software tools and AI that can make you more productive at work and also improve your personal life in many different ways. You can also reply to these emails with any technical support questions you might have, and I'll do my best to help you out for free. This newsletter is completely free and will always be free. So click the link in the description to sign up.